If you were to make your Tinder account today, what would you write in the bio? What was Mahesh's reaction when he watched the trailer of Hiccups and Hookups? At what age did you go on your first date? ऐसी कौन सी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हैं जो आधे घंटे में हो सकती हैं? What's the weirdest myth you've heard about sex?
Myth I've heard about sex.
What is something most of the girls and boys do but they don't accept it?
After you finished your job, ऐसा कोई आदमी नहीं होगा कि वापस देखेगा नहीं. सब देखते हैं by default सब देखे.
Hi, my name is Shinova.
Hi, this is Laura Datta,
I am Prateek Babbar.
and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
We have a rapid fire.
All right.
It's going to be fun.
जब ये boxes और cards और सब निकालते हो ना, बड़ी घबराहट सी होती है.
नहीं, it's a very fine Hangama speaker that's worth literally fighting for and having good fun. All right, so the idea is that you guys आप enjoy करिए अपने आप को, and whoever is the one who's the maximum entertainer, so वो he wins that.
अच्छा,
He or she wins
okay.
that. Let's start with Lara Datta. So now she will set the bar.
Okay.
You know, then you guys have to
She does.
She always
She
does.
always does anyway.
She always does.
It's
Guys, there are things like off days, you know, those do exist.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so.
I doubt it.
All right, so rapid fire with Lara Datta. If you were to make your Tinder account today, what would you write in the bio?
What would we discussed this yesterday, right? What would I write in the bio? No, you all came up with some very bad, very boring things, okay?
did wilder, coolest, something.
No, what did you say?
I said she doesn't need a body.
She doesn't need a man. She doesn't need a man. Yeah, that's what she said.
I'd say swipe at your own risk.
At your own risk. That's a good one.
Awesome.
All right, what was Mahesh's reaction when he watched the trailer of Hiccups and Hookups?
That's Mahesh's reaction to pretty much most things, if you know him. Yeah, it was. So that could mean anything, right? It could mean, or it could mean,
At what age did you go on your first date?
At what age did I go on my first 16? First proper, unaccompanied, unchaperoned date.
All right, ऐसी कौन सी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हैं जो आधे घंटे में हो सकती हैं?
बहुत सारी चीजें हैं.
Right.
आप मैगी पका के खा सकते हो.
वो 2 मिनट में
या बट आधा घंटा ना आराम से पका के खाएंगे. आप हिकअप्स और हुकअप्स के एपिसोड को देख सकते हो.
Yes.
आप बहुत सारी चीजें.
All right, there's a dialogue in the trailer. अब पता चला casual sex is like. So like what?
Like
What's the weirdest myth you've heard about sex?
myth I've heard about sex. That unless you sound like Meg Ryan in whatever when Harry met Sally, where you're going yes, that you haven't had an orgasm.
Really?
Right, okay. All right.
That's a myth.
What's something you really wanted to try once but couldn't?
Something that I really wanted to try once but couldn't go into space. I haven't been able to try it yet.
Right. What is something you miss the most about the time when you were single?
Me time.
Me time? Okay. Now
Yeah,
you're
because I don't have it anymore now.
Of course.
It's a myth.
Of course. Quality of Vasu in Hiccups and Hookups you wish you two had?
Her very innocent curiosity. Unfortunately, अभी जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ experience कर लिया, बहुत कुछ देख लिया. तो Vasu isn't like that. Vasu is still has a very innocent, vulnerable curiosity.
What is something most of the girls and boys do but they don't accept it?
I know one, but it's
What?
it's not just boys. I mean, everybody does it. I can't say it right now. I'll say it off camera. For you, it's bathroom manners. It's a little bit about
What,
not really manners, but
Flatulence?
no.
Off air
But
in
can I just
public?
say it? Should I just say it? It's a bit gross, but should
Say it
I
now.
just say it?
What?
Say it.
Now I want to know.
Yeah.
There's not one person in this universe you will find who will not turn around and look back and after you finished your job. ऐसा कोई आदमी नहीं होगा कि वापस देखेगा नहीं. सब देखते हैं by default. सब देख के खत्म होकर देखते हैं फिर flush करते हैं. I'm like that's something, you know what?
I am so used to checking. I've been checking poop since the day my daughter was born. What color, consistency,
Yeah, that's what.
smell.
That's why it is
Right.
for. Yeah.
All right. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say the following? What is the first thing that
Yes.
comes to your mind when I say the following? One night stands.
Turn them on. A light stand, right? That's what we're talking about.
Dating apps.
Cool.
Would you say that size is an overrated term?
Yes.
Size?
Have you ever hit a boy between two legs?
Yes.
Ouch.
Have you ever kissed a girl?
On the show, yes.
Right.
Hi, my name is Shinova.
Hi, this is Lara Datta,
Hi, I'm Prateek Babbar.
and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.